Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to look at the third person shot camera in the camera shots, specifically the input rotate feature. So let's take a look at, by default, this is how the camera is controlled. The third person camera is controlled. So you'll walk around, and as you move the mouse up and down, left and right, it controls the camera rotating around the character. So this is the default, but the problem is you'll notice that if you have a menu that you want it to go into, or if you just want to look, like if there's UI that you want to click up here or something, or down here, every time you move the mouse, it just spins around the character. So maybe we don't want to do that. Like some games have it so that it only rotates when you left click and hold, or right click and hold, or middle click and hold. So how do we do that in Game Creator 2? So let's take a look. That's the input rotate feature in the third person camera. So if we look at where it says secondary motion, that's the default. If we want to do an alternate system, you can go into mouse delta, and always will be what it currently does. But now you can say pressing left button, pressing middle button, or pressing right button. So pressing left button, if I do that, the camera will not rotate at all. Now I'm able to move it around unless I left click the mouse and hold it, and then it will act as normal. So this allows the player to do things with their mouse without it going like this. So that's pressing left button. And if I just in play mode, I can change it to pressing right button. So the right button is now controlling it. And then pressing middle button will do, I have to click my middle button, but it might be backwards from what you're used to. And if it is, it's an easy fix. All you have to do is change the sensitivity to -1, and it will flip the axis of the y-axis rotation, and then it'll be back to what you would expect. So so now it's much better for me. I like the sensitivity to be -1 in the y, so that fixes it for me. So just a short, quick tip on how to control the rotation of the camera in third person mode. And so that's it for today. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And thanks to all of my patrons. I really appreciate your support. It really helps out the channel. And I'm working on more tutorials, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.